तुम ही दोनों को पढ़ा देते हैं। तुम लोग अपना हॉलीडे होमवर्क दिखा दो।
मैम मैंने कल आपको आपके पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे सेंड कर दिया था, कल मैं क्लास में नहीं दिखा पाया था तो।
सुनो सुनो सुनो, व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे भेजने में बार बार मना की कि ये जब मैं क्लास में चेक कर रही हूँ तो व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे भेज के क्या करोगे, है ना। जब मैं क्लास में चेक कर ही रही हूँ तब आप क्या व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे क्यों भेज रहे हैं, दिखाइए।
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
गुड आफ्टरनून, गुड आफ्टरनून। ये कोई बच्चा आयन नोट करके क्या लिखा हुआ है। ये कौन है ये कौन बच्चा है आयन नोट। कौन हो बाबू। चलिए, किसको आज क्या शेयर करने हैं वो दिखा दीजिए, या फिर थर्ड चैप्टर की। हम लोगों ने कहा था कल कि जो लर्न करने दिया गया था तो थर्ड चैप्टर पढ़ के आइएगा। और ये सिविक्स में भेज चुकी। आज मॉर्निंग में आप लोगों को सिविक्स चैप्टर नंबर 18 के क्वेश्चन आंसर आई हैव सेंट इट। देखा आपने।
यस मैम।
ओके,
यस मैम।
ठीक है। कोई प्रॉब्लम है उससे रिलेटेड तो बोल बोल सकते हो। और दूसरी बात है कि किसी को नहीं दिखानी है हॉलीडे होमवर्क। रौनिक तो कल नहीं दिखाया था।
मैम मैंने कल सेंड किया था तो आज क्लास में भी दिखा दूं।
क्यों नहीं, बार बार तुम कल की बात क्यों बोल रहे हो। और अदिति भी तो कल नहीं थी। अदिति आज दिखाओ। चलो पीयूष दिखाओ।
ओके मैम।
वन सेकेंड, वन सेकेंड। वेरी गुड। फिर से वो टर्न ओवर करो, फिर से टर्न ओवर करो पीयूष।
किसका कॉल है?
पीयूष
Yeah, I have made a
ऊपर करो, ऊपर के पेज को जो दिखा रहे थे। चिपको मूवमेंट
okay,
जहाँ लिखे हुए हैं वो टर्न ओवर करके वहां फिर से दिखाइए। हाँ,
ma'am. Here I have written the
स्टार्टिंग।
information about Chipko movement as when it was started. It was started in 1973. It was started by Sundar Lal and it was inspired by women. And here are the demands of the people. No forest exploitation contracts should be given to outsider, and they wanted the government to provide low cost material to small industries. And the motto of the Chipko movement was for the protection and conservation of forest, and it originated in the Himalayan region of Uttar Pradesh.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
And here I have written the extract which is given in our book about the Chipko movement, and here are the questions. Why is the Chipko movement called a fight for survival? Chipko movement is called a fight for survival because forests are the main source of food, livelihood, and life for us. And mention any three lessons which all of us learned from this movement. First, we should plant trees. Second, we should not harm environment. And third, trees are the main source of our life.
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा, नाइस प्रेजेंटेशन। चलिए अब रोनित को दिखाने हैं मीनल।
मैम टेक्निकल टर्म्स भी शो कर दूं?
हाँ कर दो, मैंने
ओके मैम।
बोल दो, पढ़ दो, सारा पढ़ दो। अदिति, श्रेया, मीनल, रोनित,
Yes, ma'am.
आप लोग भी अपने रेडी रखिए। पीयूष के बाद 1 by 1 श्वेता और कौन है, साक्षी, जिनको जिनको फिर अपना दिखाना है वो दिखाएंगे। ठीक है पीयूष, आप पढ़िए, पढ़िए 1 by 1 पढ़िए। पीयूष पढ़ो।
Oh ma'am, I was reading and the mic was off. Deterioration, process of gradually becoming worse, and depletion, when quantity or number of something continuously reduces. Land use pattern, the way the land is utilized. Topography, physical features, relief or landform like mountain, plateaus, plains, etc. Weathering, process of disintegration of rocks into smaller pieces till it gets converted into soil. Presidency, the three original provinces of British India, that is Bengal, Bombay, and Madras. Treaty, a written agreement between two countries. Annexation, taking over another country's territory by force. Sirkars, a former division of British India's Madras Presidency or province. Vernacular, the language or the language by the common people of a particular country, clan, or group. Constituency, demarcated area from where voters choose their representative ex officio by virtue of being in office or holding an official position. Human trafficking, the act of buying and selling human beings. Writ, it is a legal document that orders a person to do a particular thing. Propagate, to spread and promote an idea, theory, religion, etc. widely. And jurisdiction, the extent of the power to make legal decisions and judgments.
वेरी गुड। ठीक, चलो अदिति, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो पढ़ो।
Why the Why the Chipko movement called a fight for survival? Chipko movement is the forest conservation movement in India. It was held in Chamoli. This it was held in Chamoli district in Uttarakhand. The people used the tree to prevent them from cutting. The movement is also called a fight for survival because trees are very important for human because they give us oxygen. Question 2. Mention any three lessons which all of us learn from this movement. The three values are: we should love our environment, we should not harm the environment. If someone something does so, we should oppose that also.
Okay. Word meaning you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
दिखाओ, बोलो, पढ़ो.
Depletion when quantity or number of something continuously reduce. Deterioration process of gradually become worse. Topography, physical features, relief or landform like mountain plateaus, plains, etc. Weathering, process of disintegration of rocks into smaller pieces till it gets converted into soil.
ओके. आस्था, तुम्हें बोलना है आज?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो. दिखाओ आस्था.
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो.
Why Chipko movement called a fight for survival? Chipko movement is the forest conservation movement in India. It was held in the Chamoli district in Uttarakhand. The people hugged the trees to prevent them from cutting. That's why this movement is also called the fight for survival. In this movement, people also showed that mankind will be able to exist only in this planet when we conserve the trees. As we know, forests are the breathing lungs of the civilizations that help us to breathe by converting CO2 into O2. Therefore, are very important for survival of life on Earth. Mention any three lessons which all of us learn from this movement. We should conserve the trees as it aids the livelihood of people to live healthy life and prosperous life. We should be united when it comes to fight for survival. We shouldn't harm the environment at any cost and take measures to prevent it.
Good. Word meanings?
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ो.
Deterioration, process of gradually becoming worse. Depletion, when quantity or quality of something continuously reduces. Topography, physical features, reliefs or landforms such as mountains, plateaus, etc. Weathering, process of disintegration of rocks into smaller pieces till it gets converted into soil. Annexation, taking over another's country territory by force. Sarkars, a former division of British India, Madras Presidency or province. Vernacular, the language or a dialect spoken by the common people of a particular country or group. Land use pattern. Land is used for various purposes such as cultivation of crops, construction of roads, etc. This is commonly known as land use pattern. Ex officio, by virtue of being in office or holding an official position. Jurisdiction, the extent of the power to make legal decisions and judgments. Human trafficking, the act of buying and selling of human beings. It is a legal document. Propagate, to spread and promote an idea, theory, religion, etc. widely. Presidency, the three original provinces of British India, that is Bengal, Bombay and Madras.
Very good. Okay. Next. Sanket.
Yes, ma'am.
दिखाओ.
Deterioration, process of gradually becoming worse. Depletion, when quality or number of something continuously reduces. Topography, physical features, relief or landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. Weathering process of disintegration of rocks into smaller pieces till it gets converted into soil. Presidency, the three original provinces of British India, that is Bengal, Bombay and Madras. Human trafficking, the act of buying and selling of human beings. Writ, it is a legal document that orders a person to do a particular thing. Jurisdiction, the extent of the power to make legal decisions and judgments. Ex officio, by virtue of being in office or holding an official position. Vernacular, the language or dialect spoken by common people of a particular country, clan and groups. Annexation, taking over another country territory by force. Circus, former decisions of British India's Madras Presidency Province. Constituency, a demarcated area from where voters choose the representatives. Jurisdiction, legal power or authority. Treaty, a written agreement between two or more countries. Land use pattern, the layout or arrangement of the uses of land.
Good. Very good. और बाकी बच्चों में कोई भी आज नहीं बताएगा? श्रेया, रुद्र, रोनित, कुशाग्र.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन?
Shreya.
Ma'am,
श्रेया. हाँ बोलो.
Why is the Chipko movement called a fight for survival? So the Chipko movement is called a fight for survival because by the help of this act, trees had protected from being destroyed, or in simple words, our lives had saved from being destroyed. Because destroying trees means destroying ourselves. The women had hugged and protected the trees or us from being destroyed. So maybe that's why Chipko movement is called a fight for survival.
Okay. आपने
Mention any three lessons.
हाँ बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Mention any three lessons which all of us learn from this movement. Three lessons which all of us learn from this movement are: first, have to never cut trees. Second, have to always keep traditional relation with forest. And third, have never harm or destroy environment by cutting trees.
Good. तुमने वर्ड मीनिंग डिस्कस किए क्लास में?
No, ma'am.
आप कंप्लीट किए हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
पढ़ लो, वो भी पढ़ लो.
Okay. Deterioration, process of becoming progressively worse. Depletion, reduction, in number or in quality of source or of something. Land use pattern. Land used for various purposes like for construction of roads, grazing animals, etc. is known as land use pattern. Topography, physical features, reliefs or landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. Weathering, breaking of rocks into smaller pieces by the help of wind or water, etc., till it converts into the soil. Presidency, three original provinces of British, that is Bombay, Bengal, and Madras. Treaty, an alliances or an agreement. Annexation, taking over another country's territory by force. Sarkars, a former division of British India's Madras Presidency or province. Vernacular, the language or dialect spoken by the common people of a particular country. Constituency, a group of voters who elect a representative to a legislative body. Human trafficking, the act of buying and selling humans. Writ, it is a legal document that orders a person to do a particular thing. Propagate, to spread and promote an idea, theory, religion, etc. widely. मैम हो गया.
वेरी गुड. अच्छा, आज जो मैं पोस्ट की हूँ क्वेश्चन आंसर, वो मैं कल के क्लास में पूछूंगी. होगा?
मैम नोट किया हुआ.
हाँ,
वही आंसर नोट करके फिर बोलना है.
मतलब नहीं समझे. लर्न कर सकते हो.
डी तक तो हो जाएगा.
डी तक हो जाएगा. जितना हो, तुमने मान लो 2 याद किया तो वही दोनों बोलना. किसी बच्चे ने कोई और 2 याद किया, कोई और 2 बोलेगा. कोई बच्चा कोई तीसरा कोई नया 1 याद किया, वो सुनाएगा. हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं है कि जो मैं पूछूंगी सो ही बोलना पड़ेगा, बट लर्न करके आना. क्या सही है? आज एक मैसेज भी कर दूंगी कि लर्न चैप्टर नंबर 18 और उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर हम लोग पूछ लेंगे. क्या? ज्यादा नहीं, 2-2 करके सब लोग पढ़ के आना. हर बच्चा लर्न 2 क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ठीक है? एग्री?
Yes.
ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
हार्ड एंड फास्ट नहीं है कि सारे ही लर्न करने होंगे. बोली तो एनी 2 ऑफ योर चॉइस. आप बोलोगे कि मैम मैंने ये लर्न किया है, आप मुझसे ये पूछिए, तो कुछ हो जाएगी रिवीजन हम लोगों की. फिलहाल बताओ तो, टीक इज द ट्री ऑफ डिसीडियस, एवरग्रीन और मेडिटेरेनियन फॉरेस्ट. जिससे आ रहा है वो अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके बोलिए. टीक इज द ट्री ऑफ डिसीडियस, कोनिफेरस और मेडिटेरेनियन फॉरेस्ट.
मैम मेरा रह गया.
Deciduous.
मैम
मैम मेरा
Deciduous forest.
डिसीडियस. अच्छा, अब
मैम.
देखो. हाँ, क्या बोले प्रिंस?
मैम मेरा रह गया.
क्या रह गया?
मैम हैंड रेस किए हुए थे आप, मैम कुछ बोलिए नहीं.
अरे प्रिंस से मैं नहीं पूछी. अच्छा, सॉरी. बोलो. दिखाओ, चलो. सीधी करो. हाँ. यस. पहले एक पेज दिखाओ, उसके बाद दूसरा दिखाओ, अदरवाइज बीच में रह रहा है. हाँ. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. अब अब पढ़ दो.
Value based. Why is the Chipko movement called a fight for a survival? Chipko movement is aimed to protect and conserve the tree. If we don't protect the trees from cutting, so the life is not possible on the earth, because the tree provides us many things like oxygen that we breathe. Trees bind the soil to avoid the erosion. Trees also causes the rainfall. etc. So it's a call for a fight for survival. Mention any three lessons which all of us are learn from this movement. We encourage all the peoples to plant and conserve the tree. We fight for a protect for a tree, but in friendly manner and non-violence. We should not harm our tree, our environment, and find many ways to protect. Word meanings, topography, physical features, depletion. When the quantity or a number of the something continuously deterioration, protection, process of the gradually becoming a worse, weathering, process of degradation of the rock into a smallest pieces till it's convert into a soil. Land use pattern, land is used for a various purposes, uh, constructing of roads, railways, and building of houses, etc. Presidency. Three original provinces of a British India, that is the Bengal, Bombay, and Madras. Treaty of formality and conducted and satisfy the agreement between the states. Annexation, the type taking over the another country territory by the force. Sirkar, a former division of the British India, Madras Presidency province. Vernacular, the language
Vernacular.
or dialect. Vernacular.
Vernacular.
Vernacular, the language or a dialect spoken by the common people of a particular country, clan, group, constituency, or demarcated area from where the voters choose their representative ex office by the virtue of the beings in the office or a holding on a official position. Human trafficking, the act of the buying or selling the human beings. Reads, it's a legal document that order a person to do a particular thing. Propagate, to spread and promote the idea, theory, and religion, etc. widely. Jurisdiction, an extent of the power to make a legal decision and judgment. हो गया.
ठीक ठीक. अच्छा,
मैम 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 हमको भी दिखाना है.
दिखाओ.
मैम वीडियो ऑन करके.
हाँ दिखाओ.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, why Chipko movement called a fight for survival? Chipko movement is a forest conservation movement in India. It was held in Kameli district in Uttarakhand. The people hug the trees to prevent them for cutting. In this movement, the people of Uttarakhand play a very virtual role, including Gura Devi, Suriksha Devi, and many others. This movement is also called a fight for survival, because the trees are very important for human being. They give us oxygen to live, so they are very present to life on we can survive. B, mention any three lessons which all us learn from this movement. Value that we have learned from Chipko movement are: point 1, we should love our environment. Point 2, we should not cut our trees and plant more and more trees. Point 3, we can save our environment with step taken. Find out the meaning of these words. First, deterioration, process of gradually become inwards. Second, depletion, inequality or number of sometimes continuously reduces. Third, topography, physical features, relief of land forms or mountains, plateau, plain, etc. Fourth, presidency, it is an administration on the exclusive the collection, administration, and government. Fifth, treaty, a written agreement between the two or more countries. Sixth, annexation, taking over another country territorially by force. Seventh, Sarkars, formance divisions by British India Maratthas, etc.
ठीक है, अब कोई तो बचा नहीं है, हम लोग के पास ओनली 8 मिनट्स टाइम रह गए हैं और कल के लिए फिर कह देती हूँ, कल के लिए चैप्टर 18 लर्न करके आना, ओनली 2 क्वेश्चंस आप चैप्टर 18 के लर्न करके आना, चॉइस ऑफ योर ओन। और फिलहाल बताओ एट प्रेजेंट हाउ मेनी नेशनल पार्क्स आर देयर?
104 national parks.
Yes, and why? How many wildlife sanctuaries are there?
551.
Very good. 528 पुराने बुक में था, नए बुक में 551 लिखा हुआ है, ठीक है। जिनके बुक में पुराने वो हैं लिखे हुए हैं, वो अपना करेक्शन कर ले, इसीलिए मैं ये वाला पूछ ली थी। 104 नेशनल पार्क एंड 528 वाइल्ड सेंचुरी, ठीक है। अच्छा, आज कोई अपने चॉइस का इस चैप्टर का क्वेश्चन सुनाएगा 2-3 मिनट में? कोई भी सुनाना चाहता है इस चैप्टर का कोई भी क्वेश्चन? Suggest any 3 important measures for the protection of forest.
Each one and plant one policy and discouraging shifting cultivation and afforestation.
Very good. Any 3 characteristic feature of Mediterranean forest? बोलो, आस्था बोलोगी, बोलो।
Long roots and thick bark, and they are able to retain moisture in the dry summer season, and these forests have a spiny, waxy and small leathery textured leaves.
बोलो अनन्या, बोलो।
Trees of this forest are widely scattered and have spiny, waxy, small and leathery textured leaves. They also have long roots and thick bark. They are able to retain moisture in the dry summer season.
ओके, और आस्था भी बोलना चाह रही थी क्या? नहीं, अच्छा।
Yes, ma'am.
बोलना चाह रही हो, बोलो बोलो।
Trees of these forests are widely scattered and have waxy, leathery texture and small leaves. They also have thick barks and long roots. They are able to retain moistures in the dry summer seasons.
Good. Next question. Forests are essential for maintaining an ecological balance. Justify the statement with suitable arguments. पीयूष बोलो।
Large forest cover helps in causing rainfall. Roots of the trees bind the soil particles. They help to raise the groundwater level and prevent floods. And many people depend on forest for their livelihood, and they provide safe habitat to the wild animals. And the forest help us to breathe by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen, and forests are the breathing lungs of the civilization.
ओके, आस्था भी बोलोगी?
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Forests are the breathing lungs of the civilization and therefore are very important for the survival of life on Earth. Many people depend on forests and for their livelihood. It helps us to breathe by converting CO2 into O2. They provide safe habitat to the wild animals. Roots of these trees bind soil particles. They help us to raise the groundwater level and prevent floods.
ओके, अनन्या बोलोगी?
Yes, ma'am. Forests are the breathing lungs of the civilization and therefore are very important for the survival of life on Earth. It helps us to breathe by converting carbon dioxide into oxygen. They provide safe habitat to the wild animals. Many people depend on forests for their livelihood. Trees also help in keeping the earth cool. Large forest cover helps in causing rainfall. Roots of the trees bind soil particles and help to raise the groundwater level and prevent floods.
गुड. और श्वेता, कुशाग्र, श्रेया, कोई आंसर देना चाहेंगे आप लोग अपने चॉइस का इस चैप्टर का? बस 2 मिनट बाकी है. कोई बोलना चाहते हो तो बोलो.
E5.
ठीक, बोलो.
On the name of urbanization, people are cutting trees. They are making roads, rails, and flyovers. They are not thinking about the future generation. In case of wildlife, people are hunting more and more animals for either fulfill their hobbies or for their parts like ivory or skin, etc.
Okay.